final thing we need to do to complete this project is to join these rails. And we do that in a similar way to how we joined the legs to the top. This time we're joining the rails to the legs. So zoom in so that you can get nice and accurate on these faces. J for joint, select the first component that you'd like to join, click, and this one's going to go onto the inside of this leg here. So we're going to spin that around, zoom in underneath, and select that face there. Check your views. It's looking in the center, so we can hit OK. Next one is this one here. And you can hit J for joint. Select that point there, and zooming in and underneath, you should be able to select that point there, and that should swing around without having to pivot it at all. If we weren't able to do that, you could actually click modify, move or copy, select components, so we need to change bodies to components there, choose the component you'd like to select, and we might change around to that top view, and we're going to move that 90 degrees, click OK, and that way it's aligned correctly so that when we come and join that, it fits. However, as I said, we don't need to do that in this case, so long as we zoom in nice and clearly, J for joint, select the correct point and align that underneath. It should do the swinging for us and put that into position. It's always a good idea to check that that's fallen in the center and it's level there. Make sure that there's nothing in your offset boxes before we hit OK. And then the final one, J for joint, component 1, zooming in to select component number 2. Okay, this time our offsets are a little bit out. I'm going to make sure that we click the arrow there. I must have selected the wrong point, so we're going to go, the height of that is 50 millimeters, so we're going to go 50 in the negative, and that looks like it's back on track, so we click OK, back to home, and we can see our table's complete.